Best Buy. Going to the mobile install bay. Because today, this is going away. So, we are going to park right here, right in that spot. So let's do that. Again, for those that don't know how to drive, I'm looking in my rearview mirror here. Well, my side view, side view mirror, sorry. And back up. And there we go. So with that, good. And yeah, radio install today, guys. So get that money and have a great day. This is not an April Fool's joke. This is coming out today. I'll show you later.